Hey y'all, it's a new day, so we got a new wig. This wig is from All Love Hair, and we are gonna go with some color right now. I'm a little nervous because I ain't never had this bright of a color before, but we're just gonna see what's going on. So it comes with two clips. Some of these real thin stocking caps, I don't really like those. And then it just comes with the wig, and it is a 24-inch balayage body wave bust down. Anyways, yeah, I took my muffin cap back and I'm gonna grease my scalp with some Wild Grow. I cut my hair like 2 months ago into a really short bob because it was long. I'll insert a picture here of how long it was. I mean, it wasn't super long, but it was pretty decently length. But my ends were really bad, so I just chopped it all off. But if you're not greasing your scalp before you put on a wig, baby, your scalp is probably looking like a winter wonderland. You can't be putting a new wig on a dry scalp, okay? Anyways, and don't say nothing about my braids because as long as it's flat, it shouldn't matter. And don't mind that I look like Megamind in the back. Just we smush that down with a cap. Anyways, the wig don't smell like nothing. I know I say I didn't like that cap, but I'm too lazy to look for a new one, so I just threw it on. But it's super tight, and this is what the wig looks like. Sorry, I be moving so fast I can't even keep up. But that cap is really tight and it's thin, so it doesn't really protect anything. I don't like it, but anyways, just for the purpose of this video, we're gonna use it. This is what the lace looks like. This is a 5x6, I believe. It's pre-cut. So I went ahead and put some makeup on my cap and the wig, but the makeup didn't really take too much to the lace, and it was still white. So I'm not loving that, and it's not really pre-plucked. So overall, this is what it looks like straight out the pack. I always want to give you guys an original straight out the pack look. The waves are really cute though. Like, I like the curl pattern. It's cute. You can easily curl the wig up. I look like Whitney Houston. Actually, no, I look like a mix of Beyonce, Whitney Houston, and Patti LaBelle. Yeah. So that's not really given, but the lace goes back pretty far, so that's good. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like straight out the pack. It's supposed to be wear and go, but baby, I don't know if I would wear this outside. If you would, kudos to you, but I'm not gonna wear it outside looking like that. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna style the wig and show y'all what it looks like after. Okay, that was quick. But this is what it looked like after. I really just put a little side part in it, and I cut some of that lace off. I'm not a whole bunch of lace girly, but yeah, this is what it looked like. I think it's cool for what it is. I got a big forehead, so you might want to pull it up a little bit if you in the big forehead gang, but other than that, girl, we cute, period.